Firstly, मैं बधाइयाँ देना चाहूँगी. Congratulations to Nidhi for the book launch of Three Steps Up, level 4 and 5, and of course the alphabet. And बेहद खुशी हो रही है on behalf of all of us. Essentially a teacher first, so I'm very happy to have another tool, another strategy of learning added to just helping our children.
कॉलेज बंद है, कितना मुश्किल है ये सब चीज़ें लॉन्च होना. स्कूल कॉलेज बंद है लॉकडाउन में, तो क्या कहना चाहेंगे अभी ये बुक?
वैसे हालांकि पिछले 2 सालों में काफ़ी डिसरप्शन हुआ है हमारे बच्चों के ज़िंदगियों में. माई सल्यूट इज़ टू द टीचर्स जिन्होंने बियॉन्ड द कॉल ऑफ ड्यूटी अपना काम किया है, और ना ही काम समझ के पर अपना समझ के, अपनी ज़िम्मेदारी समझ के, और बियॉन्ड ज़िम्मेदारी बोलते हैं ना, एक कॉलिंग होता है, तो वो फुलफ़िल किया है. और उसके लिए मैं हमारे राइन टीचर्स को धन्यवाद करना चाहूँगी, और हमारे देश के सभी शिक्षक और शिक्षिकाओं को बधाइयाँ देना चाहूँगी, एंड कॉन्ग्रेचुलेट एंड थैंक देम फॉर जस्ट द वे दे हैव मेड द एफर्ट टू एंश्योर कि लर्निंग बंद ना हो. लर्निंग नेवर स्टॉप्स फॉर आवर चिल्ड्रन.
Very good morning, ladies
रेहान
and
हमेशा
gentlemen.
आगे रहा
I
है बच्चों
request
के लिए, क्या
everyone
कहना
to
चाहेंगे?
kindly take their
जी.
seats.
रेहान
We'll
हमेशा
begin
आगे रहा
with
है,
the
रेहान
book
को
launch in a
बच्चों
few
के लिए क्या
minutes.
कहना चाहेंगे?
Once again, a
For
very good
our
morning, ladies
Rhinites,
and
I
gentlemen.
want to
I
say
request all of you to kindly take.
रेहान को हमेशा आगे रहा है इन बच्चों को लेकर, उनके अवार्ड कराता, क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
Firstly, I want to thank Lord Jesus for this privilege, just for me to be able to address our Rhinites on this day of this book launch. I want to just tell Rhinites, forward ever, backward never. We have learnt better कि पीछे नहीं देखना है, आगे बढ़ते जाना है. So I want to wish you all the best, dear Rhinites. Don't stop learning, don't give up. Respect, love, and honor.
Hi, I'm Nidhi Surekha and I am the writer and the owner of Three Steps of Publication House. So today this is my launch after a pretty long time. After having 2 kids, I took a small break and now I'm back after COVID. So these 2 years have been great, and it helped me to bring up my child and as well as my books. So this 2 books have been launching, and other products also, which will be available online gradually. So this book is about reading at early age, and it helps the child to read without any hesitation, without any problem. The sounds are there which can help to decode, and plus the words are so easily done, and the books is so illustrative that it helps them to read early at this stage of their life. So today we have Simone. She's again a mama and also a blogger, Insta blogger, and she's an influencer in her life, and she helps other people with all her work and everything. And she's also into a lot of other works, plus she does more about kids stuff on Insta.
बंद हैं, स्कूल कॉलेज बंद हैं, इसलिए नोट करना चाहेंगे?
It was very difficult, but yes, as a good point, if we see, it's a good thing because kids got a time to spend with their parents, their family. Everybody got a chance to mingle around and talk and to understand each other better. And I think so it was a plus plus and little less. So it helped me in COVID. So prices are very low. Initially it was 150, but this time I have increased to 200, which is again nominal price, so that everybody can buy this book and it can help to every section of life for every people. So this is basically for preschoolers, starting from nursery, junior KG, and goes up to class 1 and 2 max. The coming project is all about writing more books, and my publication house is open to all new writers also who wants to publish their books on children. I specialize into children, and children are my forte, so those books will be only launched on my platform.